Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to do multiplication formula. Before that, please like, subscribe and press the bell button for further notification. Let's go in. Here we are going to calculate how much amount we sold in warehouse. So for that we will give here rate of each items. Here we'll type quantity rate. Pen $5. Pencil $2. Tape $6. Scale $11. Box $15. Rubber $1. Here we are going to calculate how much we sold in warehouse. For that we will type heading as amount. Multiplication formula applying here. Equals to stock out into quantity rate. Press enter. Result will appear as 60, in the sense, pen sold in warehouse is $60. Same we need to apply same formula in all row. As I said in earlier video, just drag down the corner point or double click. Formula will apply automatically to all rows. Make proper table border, it will looks good. We will give some formula for total amount sold in warehouse. This is how we need to apply multiplication formulas. Okay guys, see you on another video. Until then, bye from MR. Thanks for watching.